Good day, everyone, and welcome to our spelling lesson. Please prepare your reader's and writer's notebook, your English copybook, and your pen. Our objectives for today: A. Identify the words with consonant sounds of letters J, KS, SK, and S. B. Discuss the meaning of each word. And C. Read the words correctly. Let's first review the lesson that we had last week. Kindly open your Reader's and Writer's Notebook on page 444. Classifying. Write the least word that belongs in each group. Now let's see if you got the correct answers. Let's start with number 1. State, country, region. Its territory. Number 2. Patio, deck, balcony, terrace. Number 3. September, October, November, and December. Number 4. Week, month, year, decade. Number 5. Races, hurdle, shot put, decathlon. Number 6. Aquarium, solarium, gymnasium, auditorium. Number 7. Writer, investigator, researcher, reporter. Number 8. Integer, fraction, whole number, decimal. Number 9. Thesaurus, encyclopedia, handbook, and dictionary. And number 10. Court, claims, civil, jurisdiction. For numbers 11 to 20, you are going to write the least word that has the same or nearly the same meaning. Number 11. Tryout, audition. 12. Forecast, prediction. 13. Ground, terrain. 14. Onlookers, audience. 15. Move, transport. 16. Check, audit. 17. Send, export. 18. Dispute, contradict. 19. Movable, portable. And number 20. Bring in, import. I hope you got all your answers correct. And now, let's have our lesson of the day. Kindly open your books on page 204. Today, we are going to learn about words with consonant sounds, letters J, KS, SK, and S. First, let us learn how to read each word. Please say the word after me. Excuse, scene, muscle, explore, pledge, journal, science, schedule, gigantic, scheme, Japan, excellent, exclaim, fascinate, ginger, scholar, scent, dodge, smudge, schooner. The words that have the consonant sound of letter J are the following: journal, Japan, dodge, smudge, gigantic, and ginger. The words that have the consonant sound of letters KS are excuse, excellent, exclaim, and the word explore. The words that have the consonant sound of letters SK are scholar, schedule, scheme, and the word schooner. And lastly, the words that have the consonant sound of letter S are seen, science, muscle, and the word fascinate. And now, it's time to know the meaning of each word. Let's begin with the word excuse. Excuse is a word that means a reason or explanation given to justify a fault or offense. It may also be release from a duty or requirement. Sample sentence: Vonda had an excuse for her absence. The word is excuse. Scene. Scene is a word that means the place where an incident in real life or fiction occurs or occurred. It's also a word that means a sequence of continuous action in a play, film, opera, or book. Sample sentence: The first scene is set on stage. The word is scene. Our next word is the word muscle. Muscle is a band or bundle of fibrous tissue in a human or animal body that has the ability to contract, producing movement in or maintaining the position of parts of the body. Sample sentence: The heart is a muscle. Explore. Explore is a word that means travel through in order to learn about it. It may also mean inquire into or discuss in detail. We decided to explore the museum. The word is explore. Pledge. Pledge is a word that means a solemn promise or undertaking. The doctor made a pledge to cure the patients. The word is pledge. Journal. Journal means a daily record of news and events of a personal nature. It's also called diary. Sample sentence: For how long have you kept your journal? Then we have the word science. Science is a systematically organized body of knowledge on a particular subject. I plan to study science in college. Science. Our next word is schedule. It means arrange or plan to take place at a particular time. Sample sentence: Don't forget to bring your new school schedule. Gigantic. Gigantic means of very great size or extent. It may also mean huge or enormous. The gigantic man stood in front of me. Gigantic. Scheme. Scheme means make plans, especially with intent to do something illegal or wrong. The police foiled the criminal scheme. Scheme. Our next word is a proper noun. It's the word Japan. Japan is defined as an Asian island country located off the eastern coast of Asia. The capital of Japan is Tokyo, Japan. Next, we have the word excellent. Excellent means extremely good or outstanding. Sample sentence: Mr. Ramirez makes excellent dumplings. Excellent. Exclaim. Exclaim means cry out suddenly in surprise, strong emotion, or pain. Audiences sometimes exclaim, "Bravo!" Exclaim. Fascinate. Fascinate means attract the strong attention and interest of someone. Sample sentence: choose a topic that will fascinate you. The word is fascinate. Our next word is ginger. Ginger is a hot, fragrant spice made from the rhizome of a plant, which may be chopped or powdered for cooking, preserved in syrup, or candied. Sample sentence: Anita prepared the salmon with ginger. Ginger. Our next word is scholar. Scholar is a person who is highly educated or has an aptitude for study. It may also mean a university student holding a scholarship. Sample sentence: The scholar gave a talk on French history. The word is scholar. Then we have the word scent. Scent is a distinctive smell, especially one that is pleasant. Scooby smelled the scent of roses. Scent. Dodge. Dodge is a sudden quick movement to avoid someone or something. He was able to dodge the snowball. Dodge. Our next word is the word smudge. Smudge means cause to become messily smeared by rubbing it. Try not to smudge your writing. The word is smudge. And for our last word, the word is schooner. It's a sailing ship with two or more masts, typically with a foremast smaller than the mainmast. Sample sentence: The schooner was anchored nearby. The word is schooner. Now that we've learned all the words for today, let's answer our activity on page 204. Please take your time to answer and pause this video. And now, it's time to check your answers. Classify. Write the least word that best completes the group. 1. Plan, plot, scheme. 2. Avoid, elude, sidestep, dodge. 3. Diary, log, magazine, journal. 4. Setting, landscape, scene. 5. Aroma, perfume, odor, scent. 6. Captivate, interest, fascinate. 7. Bone, skin, muscle. 8. Yacht, kayak, schooner. 9. Outstanding, brilliant, excellent. And 10. Basil, oregano, and ginger. Word in context. Write the least word that completes each sentence. Number 11. Tokyo is the largest city in Japan. Number 12. Cry out and exclaim mean the same thing. 13. A scholar enjoys learning and studying. 14. The bad weather is my excuse for being late today. 15. Astronauts explore outer space. 16. I'll add the meeting to my schedule. 17. I made a donation pledge to the local charity. 18. My science book contains many experiments. 19. The smudge on the wall is from finger paint. And last sentence, the redwood trees in California are gigantic. Good job, students. For your homework today, please answer your Readers and Writers Notebook on page 237. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and have a great day.